Hi, this is Dr. Mercola, and did you know that your body simply can't produce collagen by itself? This is because it's an essential nutrient that you simply must obtain from your diet. Now, back when we used to eat homemade soups made with beef bones or chicken feet, we received healthy amounts of collagen. But times have changed, and so has our diets. And as a result, it's highly likely you're simply not getting enough healthy collagen in your diet. Now, when considering a collagen supplement, it is important to know that it's a buyer beware situation out there. This is because many popular collagen and bone broth products have been found to contain contaminants such as parabens, insecticides, antibiotics, and even prescription drugs. Now, what's worse, they may not even provide any of the benefits they promise to deliver. Now, the vast majority of collagen and bone broth supplements today are made from cows, pigs, and chickens. Now, this may be an issue if you're a vegetarian or you simply want to limit the consumption of animal products. Now, to address this, we've located a marine source of supplemental collagen as an alternative that is also easy for your body to integrate into your tissues. Now, our marine collagen peptides are made from the skin of wild-caught codfish harvested from the sparkling clear waters of the North Atlantic Ocean. The fish skins are rich sources of collagen, especially type 1 collagen, which is beneficial for supporting your skin, bones, and joints. Now, our marine collagen has a protein content greater than 90%. And because of its smaller particle size and low molecular weight, this marine collagen is easier to digest and has greater bioavailability to benefit your body. And even better, unlike many other collagen supplements on the market, it has almost no odor or perceptible taste. Since sustainability is so important, the raw material for our marine collagen comes only from sustainable fisheries and is Marine Stewardship Council, or MSC, certified. Now, when a marine product is MSC certified, you can be assured that the raw material did indeed come from a fishery and can be traced back to the precise location where it was not only responsibly but regeneratively harvested. So, ideal for supporting your bone and joint comfort, healthy skin, and youthful appearance, grab a bottle of our marine collagen to help you take control of your health.